What I have in this bowl is eaten by some of the healthiest people around the world. If you guessed rice, you're right. This is brown rice, but there's also white rice, there's red rice, black rice, lots of rices, even wild rice, although technically that's more of a grass than a whole grain like brown rice. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make fried rice, which is really delicious. It's a great way to use leftover cooked rice and a nice way to sneak in some veggies. Let me show you how to make it. We shopped for all these ingredients at Basil Bandwagon Natural Market, and we've got some good quality sesame oil to start with, and then I'll just walk you through the other ingredients as Anya puts them in the pan. So once your onion starts to soften up, we're going to go ahead and add the mushrooms. So this was 8 ounces of mushrooms, all sliced up. I think I used, this is Baby Bella's, but you can use just regular button mushrooms, that's fine too. Good job, honey. I'm gonna add a little shake of the coconut aminos. I love this, it's like a soy sauce alternative, so for those of you who aren't having soy, you can use coconut aminos. You go ahead and shake that in there. Just a few little drips, we're not gonna add all of it just yet, all of the seasoning I should say, and not the whole bottle. So that was a tablespoon of sesame oil, a little sprinkle of the coconut aminos. I'm just going to increase the heat a little bit. It's kind of a fine line. You want it like warm enough to soften everything. You don't want the heat too low. It's looking good. All right. So now, once your mushrooms start to break down and soften, you can go ahead and add your rice. This is 2½ cups of cooked red rice. Ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa.
Whoa. All right, now at this point I think we can add a little bit more of our coconut aminos. Now I'm just kind of using the sesame oil and the coconut aminos to give it a nice fried rice flavor, but if you like, you can add minced ginger, minced garlic. You can add other seasonings you like. You might like to add herbs or something spicy here like jalapeno or crushed red pepper. That's totally up to you. I'm just kind of keeping it basic and simple. Not yet. I know you're dying to add these green things. We have a ½ cup of green peas and 1 baby bok choy chopped up that we're going to add for a little green representation there. If it looks like it needs a little extra moisture and you don't want to go crazy on the coconut aminos or sesame oil, you can always add a little splash of water, just a little bit, not too much. Okay, Anya, the moment of truth. I think you can add the peas. She likes to smell everything. Cooking is a sensory experience for kids. All right, so this is looking really good. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the last ingredient. Actually, I know you're gonna wanna do this. Okay, Anya, go ahead. You're gonna dump in the, whoa, whoops, you lost a little bit of the bok choy. That's okay, these are kind of slippery bowls, right?
Okay.
Good job. Now you can cover it if you feel like your bok choy is taking a little long to kind of soften up. You can always put a cover on it to help it to break down, but may not need to. So yeah, so this makes a great side dish. It's just a nice way to use leftover rice creatively. And you can see it's super easy. You can use whatever vegetables you like.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Here's to your rice coming out lovely at home. How is it? Totally delicious. I know you're gonna love this fried rice dish. Again, I wanna thank Basil Bandwagon and thank you for watching. If it's your first time here, welcome. I make cooking videos every week, generally on Wednesdays. I'd love for you to subscribe, and when you hit the notification bell, you're gonna find out about videos as soon as they come out. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with a friend, and enjoy making fried rice.